Hello everyone. In this video we're going to be converting fractions to decimals, and we'll be doing the reverse in the next video. Okay, let's get started. As always, it's kind of nice to start with a very easy or simple um, question, and pretty much just about everybody knows the answer is a 0.25. Well, not everybody. If it's a half, it's a little different. So let's figure out how we got that. I'm gonna use a method that might be familiar with a lot of people, and then I'll show you how I do it. Some more. That's a quicker way of doing it. So here we have 4 dividing into 1, and obviously initially it doesn't go. So 4 in 1 is 0 in decimal place, and then 0 times 4 is 0. Subtract that from 1. What we get is 1, and we add 10 to that. Sorry, we add 0 to that. So now we have 4 in 10, that's 2. 2 times 4 is 8. We'll subtract that from 10. And we have 2. We add a 0. And 4 in 20 is 5. 5 times 4 is 20. And then here you have 0. And that ends the division, and this becomes our answer. So we have 1 divided by 4 is equal to 0.25. And that's the answer. I would like to go ahead and do it the way I would normally do it. It takes less paper space and it's much faster. Um, 4 in 1 is 0. You add 10, just, you add 0 to the 1. And then you say 4 in 10 is 2. Remain 2. You add a 0. 4 in 20 is 5. And obviously 4 divides completely, anything else left. And that's the answer. For example 2, let's look at 7 divided by 3. And again, we're gonna try it the other way. Let's see, pardon me. 7. So 3 and 7 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. Just always know you're going to be subtracting the 6, essentially trying to get the remainder. That's what you were doing here. So there's 1 remainder. You have a decimal place here, a decimal. And then we add a 0 to this 1. Now 3 and 10 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. To find the remainder, turns out there's 1 left. Add another 0 to that. And 3 and 10 is 3. 3 times 3. You already see where we're going here. That's 9. Main 1. Add 0. 3 and 10. 3 again. And guess what? It's not going to change. It's going to keep going. So now here, what determines where you stop is what your teacher tells you. If your teacher says, okay, I want the answer you get to 3 decimal places, that would be this here. If you're told to 2 decimal place, that would be you stop right here. So you essentially start counting from the decimal. So this is 1, 2, 3. And if they say just 1 decimal place, you stop right here. So this one here our answer 7 3 is equal to 2.333, and that's to what? 3 decimal place. It just keeps going through eternity. So, and the way I would just do it, the way I do it, is just I just divide it like I would divide anything else. So 3 and 7 is 2 decimal. There's one left. So 3 and 10 is 3. There's one left. Again, 3 and 10 is 3. There's one left. Again, 3 and 10 is 3. And you're going to keep going on and on. So there's just essentially, whoa, I messed that one up. So you're essentially writing your solution as soon as you finish writing the problem. So that's the answer. And let's do one that's a bit longer. Three. So we're just going to be writing anything. Um, Take 3 divided by 7, for example. And then we do it this other way. So 753. Hopefully 7 doesn't divide into 53, otherwise I'm in trouble. Uh, but anyway, so 7 and 50 is so 7 times 7 is 49. So that's 7 times 7, 49. So we'll write 49 down here, and this the difference here. 6 from 10 is 4, and that's that. And we added 0 to that decimal place. 7 and 40. Um, let's see. So 7 times 5 is 35, right? Yeah, so 7 times 7 is 35. So 7 and 40 would be 5. 5 times 7 is 35, as we found out. And here we're going to have 5. Again, we're going to add a 0 to that. Now 7 and 50 will be no different from what we got here, um, which is 49. So that's a 7. And 7 times 7 is 49. It's kind of crooked. So we're going to have one left. Add a 0 to that. 7 and 10 is 1. 1 times 7 is 7. We'll have 3 left. And we can add another 0 to that. And 7 and 30. Let's see. So 7 times 4 is 28. So that gives us 2 here. And 4 here first. So 4 times 7 is 28. So there's 2 left. And well, it's going to keep going. So that's the reason why they will tell you where to stop. So this one here is the 4 decimal places. But a lot of times you're not going to be required to give more than 3 decimal place. But just to show you that the process keeps going. And that's the answer. Let's go ahead and just write this here. 5, 7, 1, 4. This is 4 decimal place. And you can just go ahead and do it straight. This is my preference. So 7 and 53 is, we said, 7 times 7 is 49. So that's, wait, pardon me. So 7 times 7 is 49. So 7 goes into 3 7 times. And then to 49 from this is 4. So 7 and 40, we know that 5 times 7 is 35. So it goes 5 times. And we know there's 5 left. So 7 and 50, we go back to the 49 thing. So that's 7 times. And there's 1 left. So 7 and 10 is just 1. There's 3 left. 7 and 30 is 4, which is 20. Let's see, 28, and there'll be 2 left. And like we said, you can keep going, but we're gonna leave our answer to 4 decimal places. Okay, we're gonna do one more example, and that's going to be it. And the fourth one is 102 divided by 11. I'm going to write that down here. So we can divide. So 11 and 102 is 9. 9 times 11 is 99. Difference here is 7 from 10 is 3. 11 and 3 is just, doesn't go. Anyway, 11 and 30, we're going to add 0 to this. We're going to drop some zeros. And 11 and 30 is 2. Come on now. It's 2. 2 times 11 is 22. Subtract that from here to find out what the remainder is. And the remainder is 8. Drop another 0. Add another 0 to it. So 11 and 80 is 7. 7 times 11 is 77. And difference here 7 from 10 is 3. So 0. 11 from 11 and 30 is 2. And 2 times 11 is 22. And obviously it's going to keep repeating. Let's go back to here. We're going to just walk our way through here back to here. So we're going to leave our answer right there. So 9.272. And that's a 3 decimal places. Or you can just multiply. Multiply. You can just divide it directly, and that's 11 and 102 is 9 decimal. Uh, so this would be 99, and in subtracting it from 102, you have 3 left. So 11 and 30 is 2, and 2 times 11 is 22 from, oh, this probably should write something down. So 22 from 30 is 8. So there's 8 left. So in 80, 11 and 80 is 7. Plus 11 and 11 times 7 is 77. So 77 from 80 is 3. So again, 11 and 30 is 2. And obviously we're going to have 8 again. And it's just going to keep repeating. And that's pretty much the answer as we found out previously. Get some more voice. And that's it. Subscribe, like, share, comment, and as always, have a wonderful day.